She eats an apple. She ate an apple. She will eat an apple. He drinks water. He drank water. He will drink water. They sleep early. They slept early. They will sleep early. She wakes up at 7 a.m. She woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. She will wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. He brushes his teeth twice a day. He brushed his teeth twice yesterday. He will brush his teeth twice tomorrow. They shower every morning. They showered yesterday morning. They will shower tomorrow morning. He dresses formally for work. He dressed casually for the party. He will dress up for the event. He cooks dinner for the family. He cooked dinner for the family last night. He will cook dinner for the family tomorrow. They clean the house every weekend. They cleaned the house last weekend. They will clean the house next weekend. She drives to work every day. She drove to work yesterday. She will drive to work tomorrow. He walks to school. He walked to school yesterday. He will walk to school tomorrow. She runs 5 miles every morning. She ran 5 miles yesterday morning. She will run 5 miles tomorrow morning. They exercise at the gym. They exercised at the gym yesterday. They will exercise at the gym tomorrow. He reads a book every night. He read a book last night. He will read a book tomorrow night. She writes in her journal daily. She wrote in her journal yesterday. She will write in her journal tomorrow. They study for exams regularly. They studied for exams last week. They will study for exams next month. He works in an office. He worked in an office last year. He will work in an office next month. They play soccer on weekends. They played soccer last Saturday. They will play soccer next Sunday. She talks to her friend on the phone. She talked to her friend on the phone yesterday. She will talk to her friend on the phone tomorrow. He listens to music while studying. He listened to music while studying yesterday. He will listen to music while studying tomorrow. She dances at the party. She danced at the party last night. She will dance at the party tomorrow. He sings in the choir. He sang in the choir last Sunday. He will sing in the choir next week. They laugh at jokes. They laughed at jokes yesterday. They will laugh at jokes tomorrow. She cries during sad movies. She cried during a sad movie last night. She will cry during a sad movie tomorrow. He smiles at strangers. He smiled at strangers yesterday. He will smile at strangers tomorrow. She frowns when she's upset. She frowned when she was upset. She will frown when she's upset. They sit on the bench. They sat on the bench yesterday. They will sit on the bench tomorrow. He stands in line. He stood in line for hours. He will stand in line patiently. She lies on the grass. She lay on the grass yesterday. She will lie on the grass tomorrow. They stretch before exercising. They stretched before exercising yesterday. They will stretch before exercising tomorrow. He jumps over the hurdle. He jumped over the hurdle yesterday. He will jump over the hurdle tomorrow. She climbs the mountain. She climbed the mountain last summer. She will climb the mountain next month. They type emails at work. They typed emails at work yesterday. They will type emails at work tomorrow. He watches a movie on TV. He watched a movie on TV last night. He will watch a movie on TV tomorrow. He apologizes for his mistake. He apologized for his mistake yesterday. He will apologize for his mistake tomorrow. She thanks her friend for the help. She thanked her friend for the help. She will thank her friend for the help. They pay the bill at the restaurant. They paid the bill at the restaurant. They will pay the bill at the restaurant. She shops for groceries every Sunday. She shopped for groceries last Sunday. She will shop for groceries next Sunday. She bakes cookies for the party. She baked cookies for the party yesterday. She will bake cookies for the party tomorrow. He organizes his desk before work. He organized his desk yesterday. He will organize his desk tomorrow. She texts her friend daily. She texted her friend yesterday. She will text her friend tomorrow. He calls his parents every Sunday. He called his parents last Sunday. He will call his parents next Sunday. They hug each other when they meet. They hugged each other when they met. They will hug each other when they meet. She kisses her partner. Goodbye. She kissed her partner. Goodbye. She will kiss her partner. Goodbye. He waves. Goodbye. From the window. He waved. Goodbye. From the window. He will wave. Goodbye. From the window. They wait for the bus at the stop. They waited for the bus at the stop. They will wait for the bus at the stop.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.